Hey, I'm out here at 904 Deer Court in Abingdon for an open house today from 11 to 2. So it'll be over before championship football starts. So come out and take a look. All right, here's the den and the hallway leading to the family room and kitchen. And here is a front area, kind of like a sitting room. Here's the family room. All this natural light coming in from the back. You can see the deck. Kitchen, the door leading into the two-car garage. Probably the highlight of this house is this deck and backyard. It's about a half an acre, very flat, lots of mature trees, perfect, quiet, and it's kind of private too. Here's a quick shot of the finished basement, walkout, more natural light. There's a wet bar. Over here, theater room. All right, here's the master bedroom. And this is one of the other of the 4 total bedrooms. And that's it, 904 Deer Court, today, 11 to 2. Come out and see it.